Welcome to Tough Dog's training program, where you'll learn everything you need to know about suspension and how we at Tough Dog have designed our product to best suit the needs of four-wheel drivers right around the world. In this module, we'll be discussing upper control arms. When an independent front-end vehicle is raised, the original caster and camber specifications are pushed outside the acceptable limit. The vehicle loses caster, which makes the steering vague, and positive camber is introduced, which contributes to uneven and accelerated tyre wear. While most of this can be adjusted using the factory wheel alignment adjustment points, the geometry of the suspension is not quite the same as OEM. Upper control arms assist by altering the configuration of the arm and by shifting the position of the ball joint relative to the original arm, which adds between 2.5 and 3.5 degrees of positive caster and up to 1.5 degrees of negative camber when used with between 50 and 70 mil of lift. Now this returns the vehicle's geometry to close to factory, and then the fine tuning is taken care of with the vehicle's wheel alignment. This results in a more direct steering feel and more confidence-inspiring ride over uneven terrain. By repositioning the arm, the ball joint rides in a flat position at ride height, which guards against damage from overextending the ball joint's range of movement. Tough Dog's arms are fixed length and position arms, which guards against the alignment being knocked out of position by a solid hit off-road. On top of the alignment issues, clearance problems between the strut and the upper control arm on down travel can also occur. The slimline tubular design of Tough Dog's control arms allow maximum clearance to be achieved. Tough Dog UCAs are built tough. The end housings are forged from 1020 grade steel, as is the ball joint housing, which has been specifically crafted with a slimline design to maximise clearance. And of course, every Tough Dog upper control arm has mounts for the factory brake lines, both on top and underneath as required. The bushings are heavy-duty, high-flex style design requiring no lubrication for maximum lifespan in rough terrain. And the ball joint is constructed of high-strength chromoly steel. For ease of servicing, all Tough Dog arms are designed to accept original equipment bushings and ball joint parts as spares should you ever need to.